Hello, welcome back to Reality Reminders. Today we are talking about MacG. Today MacG was trending the past couple of days with his wife Naledi. They were on a live and they were talking about a particular individual, and then another particular individual's name was mentioned by mistake, and that is MaWhoo and Mihlali. Yes, MaWhoo and Mihlali. MacG and his wife went on to say that MaWhoo is not making enough money in the industry, hence she is resorted to, sell her penny down there. And then they went on to talk about Msaki, MacG's wife was saying how much she loves Msaki, and he went on to mention Mihlali. Oh my gosh, he mentioned Mihlali's name, and the wife was like, "No, man, no, we're talking about Msaki here, not Mihlali. You're so obsessed with her." Like, guys, MacG is really obsessed with the lady. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.
Mazi looking.
How's the sound now? How's the sound now? Because I was listening to music on my headphones, so I don't know how the sound is now. Is it good? Okay, perfect. So what I was saying is, what is this? I'm connecting, but I'm drunk, guys. Yo, I'm so drunk. I've been drinking champagne the whole night. So I am connecting to. I'm at Abu Dhabi. I'm connecting to Abu Dhabi. Where are you connecting to? Spain. Yeah, I'm connecting to Spain. So our flight is. Yeah, here's my woman. Baby, what's happening? Talk to me, baby.
Let's go. We late.
Are we late?
Yeah.
For the connecting flight?
5 minutes late.
5 minutes late. Okay, we are 5 minutes late. So I'll be listening to Kutela. Hey, that Kutela guy is fucking amazing.
Who that?
I'm live, baby. I'm live, by the way.
Who that?
Kutela.
I don't know Jazzy Works.
That nigga's fire, bro.
Is he better than Jazzy Works?
Aren't they the same people?
I don't know. If your name is not Jazzy Works, I don't know you. I know Jazzy Works right now. Because Jazzy works.
Hey, Naledi. So, okay. Baby, what's going on? You know me, I follow you. No, Ricardo.
Yeah, but they're not. Oh, they are passing. Let's go.
Let's go priority. Go priority. What's going on? No, that's Mihlali.
Mihlali wa hlaya.
no.
Wena o rata Mihlali wena?
Ay,
I
not
wanna push in
Mihlali.
a bush. O rata
No,
Mihlali?
fuck.
Sela Msaki.
Misaki, yes.
Mara o rata Mihlali.
Ah, ah.
Gora o rata
Ah,
Mihlali.
baby.
Wa nagana Mihlali a re bua ka Msaki.
Baby, I get nervous ka
No, o
talented
rata Mihlali.
people.
And it's okay. Le nna ka
No,
morata.
nervous ka talented people.
Nna ka morata.
No, really. Okay. Hazard. Kefing. Which one is this one, baby? Msaki, that's Msaki. Sela abana.
You know, I always mix up
Say.
I always mix up Musiki with Ladies Ama.
Say what's up to the chat.
Dumelang bye bye. I can do it. Baby, stop it. Stop it. I don't like those things. I don't like those things.
What up, chat?
How much did you raise today? $100.
Hey, baru Mutswana pila.
Why, Marian?
Baru Mutswana pila.
Papa.
Baru Mutswana pila. How long is this flight, baby?
I don't know. I think it's 8 hours.
Me, I'm gonna pass out, baby. One class, I'm out
Yeah,
here.
it's okay. You can pass it.
I'm already out here. That Kusela guy killed me, bro. The songs we're listening to.
Works?
Yes.
Yeah, but it's not Pusela. It's Jazz Works.
Yeah, but his songs are amazing. So that makes Niliamang.
That mix,
Uh-huh.
I guess so. But what I know is that the best song on that mix, yeah, those boys, Jazz Works.
But what
That's
mix
what I-
we listen to? Because they're all fine.
No, I don't know. All I typed was the song, and then that came up. Does that make sense? Because the song hasn't been dropped yet. Since Jan, they've been teasing it since Jan on TikTok. So people have been complaining that, like, guys, you've been teasing this song for 6 months. Come on, give us something. Then they did that mix. But it's not their mix. I think it's a major league mix, and then they just play their shirts.
Aye, it's fine. Baby, it's fine.
No, but the whole mix isn't fire.
Oh my God. No, that is too much.
That song is like, it's our vacation song this vacation,
Ne?
ne?
Yeah.
Because we always have a vacation song. We didn't have one this time. That's our vacation song, ne?
What was our last vacation song? What do you
We
mean?
always have one.
What was the last one? Por favor.
Oh, okay.
Excuse-moi.
Hi, this is Boo. Banazara. I don't want to walk. Yo, Mrs. I don't want to walk. At the piggy bank, I'm a baby. That time, the legs are long, bruh. This is life. Don't want to walk. Ziggy next to us like, hey, bro. Mushaba Ziggy, what the heck? Ziggy's over. He don't want to sleep. Mushaba, look back. Oh, what? He's over her.
The nice thing is that come on, my super, what's even
I
it?
don't think it makes
Hey, little femme, Luna, little femme.
Hey, waras.
They don't need shit. They got your hand.
I'm never living with you again. Are we the right lines? We're not in the right lines.
I can't remember little femme.
Forgive me.
Wait, let me ask
Have a good flight. So seat number 41 to 49.
Yes.
Seat number 41 to 49. This flight.
Hey, how? My brother.
Eric,
My brother.
Baby, stop it.
My brother.
Sorry, sir.
Where are the feathers?
Baby, stop it. Hey, baby, stop it. If I
Okay,
was doing
okay.
this, you'd be angry.
Okay.
Hi, sir.
Where are the feathers?
Huh?
The
Sir, no,
feathers.
leave him alone. Leave him alone. For the business classes, yeah. Let's go that side.
Hmm? The feathers are here. Huh?
Yes.
Come this way. Come this way.
Let's go that side.
All right, let's go, baby. I'm following you. I'm behind you.
Only seat number
I'm
41
behind
to
you.
49. All others please remain seated. All others please.
I get now.
We are 40.
Hey guys, I'm out of
We're
here.
in the wrong thing.
We're in the wrong thing, huh?
Yes.
All right, guys, we're about to board. I'm out of here, man. I love you guys. I love you guys. I love you guys. Hmm?
Okay, baby.
Give my passport.
Yes. I've got everything. But you need to give me my stuff.
Por favor.
Baby,
Okay, por favor. Wasn't she on the Emirates flight? This one? She looks familiar. All right, guys. Bye-bye.
Wow, I
I don't know how to
on
end.
CNN live.
Baby, I don't know how to end this. Yo.
Bathong.
Eh? Ke a roga nako mang?
What misbehave?
Ugutlile.
Ana ke mlaletse ka re ba tlo utlwa. Ba re kick
O tswa ko South
out.
Africa?
You go South here.
Au.
With a high
Le etsa ko Spain. Por favor.
I will understand.
Kopa le moshapeng tu.
Watch your podcast.
Kopa le
Oh, thank you.
moshapeng. La mona wa
Appreciate it.
hloka.
Please behave.
Okay, I'll
Moshapeng wa
Great
hloka.
one.
Ra leboga, ne?
Take care.
Thank you, ne?
Go,
Cheers.
Because before I give her my passport, she's like, how you Naledi? I'm like, hey. Baby, they're going to shop us now.
Por favor.
They're going to shop
Por favor.
They're going to shop us. Don't do that thing. Don't do that thing.
Oh. Hey, but that just works mixes landing.
Next.
Perfect
It's
timing.
our song for the vacation.
Yo.
Because we always have one.
Was that MaWhoo or who was
That's
that?
MaWhoo.
Was that
How
MaWhoo?
dare- Yes.
Why is she selling bums,
That's
bro?
MaWhoo. Hey, dude.
Bro.
Like, the music isn't enough.
She can sing, bro. Oh my goodness.